This truck had this issue for a while, at least 6 years. But as you can see, this grommet for hood stay is broken in several places. Finally I got to it. Here's a part number for the new grommet, and we're gonna be working on replacing that. I'm gonna use this to temporarily hold the hood. It's not really reliable, but that's all I have, so be careful whatever you put there. First thing we're gonna do is remove the original one, which is super easy. As you see, grommet's not holding it. Then we're gonna remove the old broken grommet. Now I'm gonna insert the new one. And I'll be using silicone O-ring. I'm gonna put it in a couple places. Gonna put here where I'm gonna be inserting it, and also here where the rod gonna come through. It looks like mine is a bit bent, so I'm gonna try to straighten out just a bit. Hopefully it's good now. Looks good. Now I'm gonna be working on inserting this. I'll add some lubricant here as well. It looks good now. Overall, it was actually pretty easy. I expected it would be tougher. I also expected this to be more secure. Now I'm gonna open the hood with this. Looks good. I'll provide Amazon affiliate link to this grommet. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.